Hello, this is Emily. Hope everyone is fine with lockdown and stay at home. Today I have decided to make bread because my mom told me it is really hard to get a loaf from the bakery. These are all the ingredients that we need. Baker's flour, cold milk, sourdough. This is important to improve the texture of bread. I will show you how I make this at the end of the video. Sugar, yeast, salt, butter, eggs, and some ice cube. This is to make sure the dough temperature stay below 30 degrees after kneading, so that's why we need the ice cube. To start, we just have to mix all the ingredients together except the butter. Salt and yeast added side by side, not together. If you are using Thermomix, mix the dough for 3 minutes in the first time. After that, we are adding the butter, 30 grams of butter, and knead again for another 3 minutes. The third lot of 3 minutes, that means in total you are kneading the dough for 9 minutes using Thermomix. From my past experience, if you use Kenwood miso, it will take around 20 minutes. So at the end of the day, it really depends on which appliance you use. No matter what you use, you need to do a window pane test, which is the best way to tell if you have sufficiently kneaded your dough. It should be able to form a thin translucent membrane like this. Then you are good to go. Shape your dough into a bowl and put it in an oil brush bowl and let it proof for an hour. I always put a glass of hot water and put it in the microwave and let my dough to sit in there for an hour. This is how it looks like after an hour. The size is double. Knead again with your hand to squeeze out all the bubbles and the air in the dough. Divide the dough into 3 equal sizes, which is around 175 grams each, and let it rest for 15 minutes. Remember to cover your dough with a damp cloth, otherwise it will dry out. After 15 minutes, remove one of the dough and put it on a flat surface and flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Roll it up, do the same for the other two, and rest again for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, repeat the whole process. Remember to pinch and seal the seams at the end after rolling. Arrange them neatly in the bread tin and let it rise to 3/4 of the tin. This should take about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now we are coming to the final step. Brush some egg onto the dough. Remember to not use the silicone brush at this stage. Cover with a lid and put it in the preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Here we are. Let's have a look. Yes, it's perfect. Now, let's see how does the inside looks like. Wow, look at the layers after layers. It is so soft like a cotton. And also look at the texture. And you can easily tear it apart into a very thin strip.
虽然有弹性的吐司做好咯。You can eat it as kosong, which means plain in Malay, or you can have with your Nutella or butter, or peanut butter and raspberry jam. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and have learned something new, and I will see you again in the next episode. Bye! If you are making extra bread, you can put it in a plastic bag like this and give it to your friend as a present. I'm sure that he or she will ask you which bakery do you get it from.